Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get Monopoly Go reward codes in 2025. By these codes you can get free dice, money without spending anything. And what you have to do is simply go on Safari, search www.robotcoupons.com. Once you're in this website, they have different games about which you can find codes on. Now simply go on the search bar. If you can't find Monopoly, search Monopoly. On the top, click on this, and here you go. We have different multiple codes. Using these codes, you can get dice and money, and by just simply clicking on the codes, you can redeem them. As you can see, the codes are limited. The coupons are very limited. So just grab them fast. So if I click on this code, show code, and unlocking this code, I can do that, but I don't want to waste this code, so I would just stop it. Once you have redeemed the code, the website will open. You have to copy the code from there and just go on this website and enter the code over here and just simply enjoy your Monopoly codes with free dice and money. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.